What's up, chat? How's it going? Nice little 3-day weekend, which is good because it gives me more time to work for Ludwig. Imagine having a holiday. Cringe. Well, I hope everyone in my chat is having a good work-free Monday. I don't think I've been streaming for the last couple days because I've had other stuff, other work that I've had to do. But I thought today would be the perfect time to either finish or get close to finishing the Amazon stream. Welcome back, Raphael RCMRG. Nice to see you again. Let's get started. So last time we were working on this, we had finished adding the ability to place objects onto other objects when that's applicable, such as placing these pants onto the mannequin, which is very, very cool in my opinion. I personally retextured the mannequin a bit. I just upped the saturation on the pants so you can actually see the shit stains. I think it looks a bit better like this. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the lighting is coming straight from above, so it doesn't really light it up enough to see. But yeah. Try stole the car bed in the mail to have more dev time. That would be a genius idea. But no. The car's bed was lost in the mail, and Ludwig almost wanted to run it anyway with a different bed, but I was like, no, you should wait until you have the real car's bed because it would be more authentic. I don't think he detected my ruse. So, let's see where we are. It's been a bit since I've picked up this project, besides earlier today, retexturing the pants. Oh, yeah. I really like what we've done with the poll. Basically, what's left, chat, is an admin panel for me. I need to do a stream overlay window or page. A stream overlay page, which is going to, like, constantly circle around the room, perhaps, to have in the top right hand of his stream, which has, like, a link that says go to this page to participate, etc. I think that'd be cool. But what I think would be cool right now is to finish working on the poll window. Let's see. You'll hear it on the radio. I have a genius idea that I just thought of. Oh gosh, this is complicated. Okay, look at this, chat. So we have this window up here, which has like a 3D display of whatever item is up next, right? Which is cool, very cool. But I think what I want to do is, well, okay, here's the problem with it. The problem is that it's not centered with the flag. But if I load up like the car bed, it is centered pretty well. So like some things are like the body candle, I believe, Some things are centered, some things are not. And the way to solve this, I think, is genius. So we have the object in the scene. We have the middle of the object. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this. And now what do we have? Now it's not centered at all. But what we're going to do is I'm going to get the const box center equals object.box.getCenter. And then I'm going to do position.y equals boxcenter.y plus 1. And then I'm going to do this .rt camera.look at box center .x, y, z. Now, did this work? I hope. Because what this should do is it should make the camera always be looking directly at the box, at the middle of the hitbox of the object. So like the armchair. I mean, that one looks good. What about the flag? That looks good too. Yeah, that looks like it's centered. But the car bed wasn't? Or which one wasn't? The body candle wasn't? What is the issue with this? The light position, I kind of want to set to the, I want to do dot copy this dot rt camera dot position so that the light is at the same spot as the camera. But what is the issue? Why is it not? I mean, I guess it's pretty subjective where the center of the object is, right? I just want it to be consistent. Is the problem. Like, why is this one all the way up here and the other one is all the way down there? What if I do box 3 helper? So add like a helper box to the scene, and then I also add like a helper camera. There is a camera helper, right? Camera helper. This .rt camera. Okay, does this work? Okay, why is the box so small? I guess I would have to do object.box.set from object this .object because it has I've grown. Aha, there we go. I shrank it and now it's unshrank. Perfect. This is actually super perfect. Yeah. Wait, what? It looks weird though. I kind of want to maybe move it backwards. Like look at this, chat. It is centered. Like the camera is totally pointing at the center of the box, but it doesn't look centered. Like visually, because it keeps dipping under, and when it dips under, it like goes way down. I think this is better. What is the point of margin between my window and the side edge of the screen? You mean like the margin here? I don't know. Looks cool. You know, I think it's actually called like useless gap margin. That's like the name for it. I forgot exactly. I don't know. I don't know. I think maybe the vertical thing needs to be less. Like the vertical bobbing. Like 0.05 instead of 0.1. Yeah, this is more subtle. It needs to be smaller as well, which I can just do FOV for, right? That's too much. Back to this. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, I think this looks good enough. What I'm gonna do now is what I have to do. How big should this be in relation to the screen? Like a quarter of the width, perhaps? That looks pretty. Actually, I like this a lot. Let's do width is this, and then height is width height. Yes, that centers it. Let's do the height is like slightly more, so like this. Oh, that makes it skewed. But I can fix that skew by somehow, right? Why is it stretched? Yeah. I guess I can only make it square easily. This look like a good size? I think it looks like a good size. And then what I want to do is add a poll UI on top of this. Which is just going to be a div right now. Let's just do border red 500 to make it have a border. Fixed position. Top 1/2. Right 0. Minus translate y 1/2. And that should put it... oh, and width is going to be exactly 25 VW. And same with height is going to be 25 VW. Boom. Import that. Come on, import it, please. What the heck? Oh, lag. Lag? Reload the page. Yeah, this is lagging as fuck. Texture is undefined? Texture is null? What? This is not good. What is missing a texture? And why is it so fucking laggy? Okay, it's not missing a texture now. And so look at that. I now have this red box lines up exactly with the gray background. And this red box should allow me to put whatever shit I want to in here that is HTML, which gives me the advantage of being able to just put, like, you know, fucking body candle text in there. There we go. Looks pretty good. Right. Put a bit of padding. And so now you really can't tell, as long as I do select none, you can't really tell there's even a different thing. It's pretty cool, I think. But let's see. I want this. Actually, let's do this. Poll. This should give me access to what the current poll is, right? Yeah. If it's not easy, it must not be. I should be able to go. Let's see. Let me change this to a car bed so that it's actually an existing object. I want to be able to load. Like, I want to do export async function load object meta ID object ID. And that just returns objects ID. I will do object equals load object meta at poll dot object dot ID, right? No, object dot object. What? Why is that object dot object? Whatever. Something good. Shouldn't it come to you naturally? If there's an open poll, we set to that. Otherwise, just null. And then I can probably just do object dot. Why is this? Is this async? Oh, why did I make it async? I can probably just do object dot name. And then there we go, the car bed. However, this object name does not match the 3D model that's in there yet. So what we have to do is go into here. Poll.subscribe. Like and subscribe. Okay, there's some of this code here that I need to get rid of. And not get, I need to move into its own function. Like, I need a async set poll object, right? ID object ID. Be much better than. We'll do this. We'll load the object from the ID. Grab the max dimension. Set this dot object, sure. Scale it up. Yeah, that makes sense. We'll do if this dot, if we already have an object, we'll do scene shit. Oh, we already have it. We'll do this dot rt scene dot remove this dot object. Makes sense. Very cool. Very cool. Can I do like this dot object dot destroy or something? Or dispose? No. Okay. Remove it is. Do the same thing here to get the box center. We have to get this and here. But this also has to be, we need light equals new point light. And then this dot light, this dot rt scene dot, no, we don't need to add the camera to the scene. There we go, I think. Do need this dot light here though. And now I should be able to do set pole object, data dot object dot object. Const ID equals data dot object dot object. Boom. Easy clap. Okay, let's see if this works, because now we got the car bed here, right? But if I go into my other tab and change this to, what do we got? Berserk Collection. There we fucking go. So I can remotely change the current pole that's showing up. If I change it to cat tree. If I change it to bread machine. There we fucking go. Yeah. So we can remotely change the pole on screen. And that will sync over however many people are currently connected. Okay. Very, very, very cool. What else do we need to display here? Well, we need to display like current poll, probably some text that says current poll. And then maybe some text that says, Q and E to rotate item, and then space to place the item. Boom, easy clap. Let's see, wait, are we pull UI? Get rid of this. Oh, I need to ping my Discord. What else do we got here? Minion. This one's funny. All right, I need to figure out what this is gonna look like. It's hard because I'm pretty limited on what this can look like, right? Because I don't have a lot of control over the 3D object in the center. Like, it's hard to gain more control over that. All right. And this has to be a square, I believe. Is there a cool way to get around that. Not unless I use like a CSS clip mask, which I could do. Clip path around that. I don't know. Probably not worth looking into. Yeah, I have. This has to be a square, basically. I guess I could add more stuff onto the bottom pretty easily. If I do this, can I? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Got it. Chat, I don't know. I don't know what to put here. Like current object. Something like that. Perhaps that could be good. And then we do like these are cool. Tamanti, thank you for the 13 months, poggers. This model ain't perfectly accurate though. This is as accurate as it's gonna get. What do you mean? Yeah, I like how these look. Ooh, dark themed as well. Cool. Okay. All right, I definitely don't want to install this package, but let's see what I can yoink from this. Shit ton of stuff here. I think I will just yoink all this code. I might even just yoink the fucking styles directly. No? Yoink. Sploink. No use translating this into Tailwind. And then I want to do export let key. Or no, I just want a slot. KBC button dark slot. And then could I do KBD and then like Q rotate left, something like this. That doesn't look too bad, except why is it fucking white? Why do I have so many tabs open? Always the tabs. There we go. Except that doesn't look quite right, does it? What if I give this a black background? This does not look correct to me. This does not look right. Doesn't Svelete Docs have a keyboard press example? What the fuck do you mean? I'm pretty sure they don't have an example of this button. This styling of a button. You know, I should probably just do this myself. We'll do font. Come on, Tailwind. Keep up. Font mono. W5, H5. BG blue, white for now. Inline block, right? 6H6. BG black. No. Leading 5. Leading 6. Okay, there we go. Are these not square? They're square. You just can't see it very well. Okay, this is starting to look all right. I do want to add a box shadow. But not any of these box shadows. I want to kind of just yoink this one, I guess, still. Because this one's pretty complicated. Oh, this has a fucking after on it. That's why it looks jank earlier. Shit. Hold on. Keep this in mind. Go back to what we had before. That looks better. Yeah, I think this looks good enough, honestly. Except I want to do... Okay, this is the move. This is the move. Watch this. We do flex call, item center. Boom. And then we do, no, stop being fucked. Do that, and then we do class equals absolute, and then bottom full. No, negative bottom full. Fuck. No, it would be top full. Top full. There we go. Now they go down there, and then we want to do BG. What is the background of this? I made it something. Neutral 800, let's go. Okay, that's not quite the same background, but I can just yoink that and use that for the other. Let's see. That. 26, 26, 26. Okay, if I go to pull, background color is right here. It's just 22, 22, 22. Which now matches that. Let's get rid of the red border because that was just for testing purposes. Was this not perfect? Why is the top one not... Fuck. Is it the canvas? No. Why is it not all the way to the edge of the screen? This is cringing me. Why is it like a couple pixels off the edge of the screen? Yeah, shut the fuck up, Nico Fishman. Time yourself out. I'm working here. No, it's not the DevTools border. If I go here... If I make this exactly 400 is the question. No, actually, that's hard to do. Why is it not... Oh, why is it not exactly at the edge? Can I get renderer.viewport size? (1202) by 953. So that works as well. That works also, but it doesn't... It's still not at the very edge of the screen. Like, what if I do, like, math.seal here? Oh, that did work. That did work. I see. Okay. Does that work as the screen shrinks and grows? Yes. I think I need to do it for the top as well, though. Yeah, because see, there's a tiny gap in between there now. Well, now the gap is even bigger. I thought floor in this direction then. Fuck me. Okay. Okay. Now that I've fixed this issue, I will move back to working on the actual looks of the UI. Nico Fishman. This should be flex. Space between. Thank you for the 3 months, Gbod. Appreciate that. Items center. What the heck? Why is it not oh, justify between. Justify between. There we go. And this has padding, does it? Okay. Cool. Yeah. Oh, September. I forgot about September, chat. 30% off of all of your subs and more. If you want to subscribe for more than 1 month, poggers, you should subscribe to me with Twitch Prime. Let me just extend the keyboard class. And we can do rotate left inside here. And then Copilot will very nicely do that for me there. Why is this not working though? Hello? Oh, because I didn't do that. And then we want a third one, except I don't need these things anymore. I just need the keys. Okay, there we go. So this does get a bit small as the screen gets small. Can't even do that, right? I can do... that? No. Boom. Raphael RC MRG, thank you for the tier 1 sub. Appreciate that. Alright, that looks fine-ish. And it looks actually fairly okay even at this, even as we get smaller. Let's make this text bigger. What font do I have loaded here? Enter. We should find a font for this. Why are these fonts trending? What is the Sims font? That's the logo type. I want to find an example of text in the game. Here we are. Okay. I mean, this just looks like a fairly standard, sans serif font. So I want sans serif English, please. Where the fuck is the English in this list? Latin extended. No, Latin, I mean. Hello? Thank you. Your website's broken. What is a good font from this list? I've Enter already. That's my current. I'm a fan of. This looks fine. They all look fine. Yeah, Montserrat is always good. I'll give it a shot. Oh yeah, I like this song. Starlight raining over me. I need a monospace one now for the keyboard. That should be good. Did that work? No, that did not work yet. Let's remove this pointer if it's not. Don't need it yet. What is the dealio? Why are there 3 oh, that's this one. I see. So what is the deal with this font? Oh, it has a thing shit here. There we go. Yeah, I just have to remove that style. There we go. Yeah, I like how this looks. I liked how this looks an awful lot, chat. I think this looks really good. There's one thing I can do here, pretty cool actually, which is if object dot wall, right? Well, I guess if object dot floor. Striker MGS, thank you for the Prime sub. Very appreciated. And now you can see that since I'm placing this sign, hypothetically, which can't be placed on the floor, and thus there's no need to rotate it, there's no controls for rotating. But if I switch to car bed, there we go. Why does this look weird? Oh, this is a fucking issue. Why does this look weird? And how do I fix it is the question. Can't do this? No, of course it wouldn't be that easy. Fuck. Let me see if I can figure out anything that works here. Nope. Oh, because this thing is big. Ah. You know, fuck, I don't really care enough. This is good enough. This is fine. All right, I think the last thing I need to add to this poll overlay is the clock, right? The amount of time that it's been going. Where would that best fit, you think? Probably the top right of the entire window? We can do... Yeah, a little thing like that. Bit medium-ish text. 2x, probably. That looks messy. Let's do, instead of this then, let's do... that. Nope. You're staring at the window, and I said I wanna take you to the sea. And when I'm better, we'll do everything. Okay. Yeah, I like how this looks a lot. This looks pretty clean. Now I just have to make the countdown work. And this poll object has opened at and closed at. What I want to do is I want to do poll dot opened at. Let's print that out. See what that gives me. Okay, that's just a JSONable date. So we'll do elapsed would be we did before. Let me reset this to the actual open at, which is right now. And by that I mean not really, but 5:51:40 p.m. And now, okay, 10 seconds. Yep. That looks very correct. So that's the number of milliseconds since the poll opened. Do I want to just count up? I think I do want to just count up. Copilot, do my work for me, please. Thank you. Appreciate it. at that. Look at that. Clean as ever. So now, hypothetically, what if I close this poll? What would happen to this text box? Poof. Nothing happened to it. Wait, what? I thought this should undefine the poll. Okay, well, it doesn't have it now. It's undefined. Oh, this is null and it's not updating. Fuck me. What? Oh, this is not a fucking reactive statement. Yeah, God, stop. Come on. Okay, close the poll. Why? Why does it not... So my RLS should prevent it from reading this? So it's just not detecting the update? Is that what it is? Okay. So the problem is that it's prevented from... The user is prevented from seeing the change to the poll when it changes from open to closed. That's cringe. Okay, I have a different idea then. So instead of for only allowing the user to read polls where they haven't closed yet, let's say closed at is null or closed at, okay, we'll do Postgres or RLS Supabase time difference. Pretty sure I saw an example for this. Closed at is greater than current timestamp minus interval 10 seconds. Can I do that? Closed at, what does this mean? Closed at is there. Greater than is greater than. So it would be greater than, yeah, okay, that should work. Supabase font hurts. I know there's something wrong with my fucking font setup on my computer. It renders numbers as like emoji numbers. And spaces as like double width spaces. I don't know why, it pisses me off. What was I just doing? Oh yeah. I need to change this now. There we go. Okay, so we got nothing. There's nothing here. No poll is open. As soon as I open this poll, it doesn't work. Why does it not work? Something wrong here. Is it not? Do I have not? I have real time enabled. What? What just happened? My token just refreshed or something. Okay, so if I close the poll, does it close? No. Why not? Oh, the fucking close that timestamp isn't within the last 10 seconds. Fuck me. 5:59 50. Boom. There we go. That didn't get the update, but the other part did? What the fuck is going on here? Let me just allow people to read all of them. I don't give a shit. Why do I care if you can read old ones? If you're authenticated, you can read every single row from the polls. But responses, you can only insert responses if the poll ID... Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah, I already have that. Gotcha. Okay. So we're good now. Got this. If I go here, open the poll once more. Okay, it's open now. And if I close it, it should actually close. Okay, it does close, but the 3D model doesn't disappear. So only part of my code is getting the picture that it changed from open to closed. Why? What's going on in the other part right here? Right here. Oh. I know why it is. It's fucking because I'm only setting the poll object if there is no else yeah, that. Thanks you, Copilot. That's exactly what I meant. Okay, now I have this open, and now if I close it, 6:02:30 p.m. There we go. Why is it still there? Oh. I just have to do this dot object equals undefined. Okay. Once more, last time's the charm. If that doesn't work, I'll gift a sub to my chat. But if it does work, you owe me a prime. Prime is owed. Pay up, chat. If you have a Twitch Prime right now, you owe it to me. You all shook on that bet. I saw you. You have to use your Prime right now because it just worked. Thank you, Krausner. Appreciate it. Etron, thank you for the Prime. Askry Live, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate the Primes. Let's get to 200 subs again. That would be nice. We're at 175 right now. Okay. Status is good right now. The poll is currently working. Would even say it's twerking. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. I really like how this looks, I think. Jimmy Boy, thank you for the tier 1 at a discount because of September. Not that you should feel obliged to sub to me with your actual money. Like, what point is a discount where you can just sub for free? But if you're going to sub already, then you can sub for cheaper. Cryptic Wit, thank you for the Prime. Holy shit, that's a lot of subs. So much even that we have a hype train going on. Poggers. Pseudo Sediment, thank you for the tier 1. Oh, holy shit, guys. This is a ton of subs. How many subs is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Only 6? It feels like more than 6. But 6 is still a lot. Dastange, thank you for the Prime. Okay. Here's the deal. The poll is looking good. But the object that I'm actually placing does not correspond to the one in the poll. That is something we need to fix. Okay, so my guy over here, the placer, currently it just loads the object and then adds it to the scene. But this should really just match what the code that I have in the poll, right? Like this shit. Okay. Okay, that just worked instantly. Cool. So if we close this poll, boom, 6:08 p.m. Now we have no object, and this fucked me because I was dumb. Forgotten if statement. Cool. And now if I do, if I change this object to body candle, and I open the poll once more, there we fucking go, chat. I mean, yeah. This is working. The name of the last song? Something by Madyon. Dream? Or something? Should I change the cursor, chat? What's the Sims cursor? I mean, that looks okay, I guess. Actually, you know, does this chat? Has anyone played Sims before? I've never. Does this look like the Sims cursor? This like pointy one here. Would it be good if I use that one here, like for placing an object? Replace the cursor with that thing. Think it look good? Gibby requires. This one's gonna be too long, no? Yeah, that's not good. Actually, it's fine, I guess. Pretty optimized only for desktop. Cool. CSS custom cursor. Just lower the text size. Yeah, you know, why not? Okay, it looks like I can just add this guy. What if I like invert the colors though? So it would go here, here, here. And we would do a cursor. Okay. Sure, I guess. But how the fuck do I scale? Also, what am I clicking on here? What? Why doesn't it work here? Oh, as soon as it goes fucking off screen, as soon as it would dip off the page, it goes away. Um, oh, keyword, that's the fallback. Got it. Why the fuck is it so big? Is this big? Oh, this is doubled pixels. That's actual pixels. This looks pretty cool. What does it look like if it's like the actual color though? I might go with this. Unless this is like under strict copyright, but I don't think it is, and I don't think I'll get sued for it. So I think we're good. Yeah, this looks cool actually. I like this a lot. Love all the little details, like how the walls facing the window have a bluer light shining on them because of the sun, and the other ones have a yellower light because of the indoor lights. Like that detail. What is left chat? Holy shit. Um, we need to indicate that you're placing something in an invalid position, because we actually are already detecting that. Like right now, it knows that it's in an invalid position, and like right now, it knows that you can't place it here, but it's not indicated to the user at all. Um, I want some kind of shader applied to the object, perhaps. This is a question though, because I know how to add a shader to an object. I know how to change the material to a shader, but I don't know how to add a shader on top. Like I kind of want to add a shader that's like, you know, that. Fuck, I need to explain what I'm thinking of. Like I want to kind of do something where it What is this song? Never heard this before. Something like this, right? Something like that. Some kind of shader like that that indicates that it's not placeable there. A red wireframe box. That's an interesting idea. I mean, that would be super easy to do. But I don't love it. Or I could do my previous idea, which is something like this. I was working on this back a couple days ago, I feel. And I never finished the code. In fact, I abandoned the code and left it in, and it has arrows in it now. But what I want to do is perhaps inside the placer. Okay, let's think about this. Get rid of you. The place that this is going to have to happen is in the placer, right? And here, I want to do something somewhere. So if we haven't found a spot, right? If found spot is false, that should mean that it's in a bad position. It's false when I have my cursor over something invalid. Ooh, I have some ideas about this. I have some ideas about this. Is this what I want? I don't think it is. False, true. True, false. False, true. True, false. False, true. True, false. Yeah, I need to fix this. Am I going backwards? Yes. Yeah. Stop. Let's see. I want to listen to this song. There are a couple states that the object can be in. 3 states. I think there are 3 states. State 1, it's in a valid position, such as right here. This would be a valid position. These would be all valid positions. This would be a valid position. State 2, it's in an invalid position, such as this. This is invalid. This is invalid. This is invalid. This is invalid. Right? This is invalid. State 3, there's no position at all, which is if the mouse is down here, it doesn't have a position. it shouldn't be shown here at all because that's just the last place it was. But we shouldn't show the object in this state. So it is a different state from an invalid position, because if it's in an invalid position such as this, we want to still show that it's there, but we don't want to turn it red. But if it has no position at all, we don't want to show it at all. So either no position or bad. We'll say no, bad, or good. And we'll default this to no position. The only thing that I've learned, it's only real when it hurts. It's only real. All right, grab that. I want to go through all of these now. I think I want to return no here, because this is if I'm not hitting the thing. Yes, I want to return no right there. Right here, I want to return good. And else, I want to return no, I think, for this case. For the floor now, turn no right here. This needs to not be inside this function. It doesn't make sense there. Okay, let's just walk through this function. We shoot a cast out. We find out if we hit the floor, if we're pointing at the floor. If we are pointing at the floor, we do this. Otherwise, we return no, because we're not pointing at the floor, so we don't care. There's no position given by not pointing at the floor if it's an object that goes on the floor. If we are going to point at the floor, then we move our object to that position. We see this is detecting if we're in an invalid spot because we're on top of another thing. So I will do if hits.length, we're going to return a bad position. And right here, we're going to return bad. And right here, we're going to return good. That should work. And finally, wall placement. Oh, I fucking hate looking at this code again. Okay. If we don't have an object, we return no position. Blah, 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 blah. Find out if we are hitting the wall. If we are hitting a wall, then we do this. If we're not hitting the wall, we just don't have a position, so no. But if we are hitting a wall, we move to that point. We point ourselves in the right direction. We rotate ourselves. We get our box, and then we collide here. So I just want to return bad here, and then return good. And I need to, chat, remind me in like 10 minutes if once I'm done with this, to look into the disallowed boxes, because I don't think I'm finished with that thing yet. And now looking at the console here, this looks perfect. No position right now. Good position, bad position. Good position, bad. No, bad, good. I think it's good. I mean, I think the solution is working. What I want to do now is... This is not good. What did I do here? I did something wrong. Inside here? Oh. Shit, what the fuck does this do? Oh, this should not be return false. This should be continue. Thank you, TypeScript. Okay. Thank you. I mean, this would be... This would be perfect if I could just set the color like this, but I can't. But what this should do is now, as soon as I move out of a possible spot, as soon as I'm not hitting the wall, the thing disappears, which is, you know, I don't know why we didn't do this a long time ago, but this is exactly what it should do. This already feels a lot less janky. Like, having the object, like, remain there in this position when I move my mouse down, that was weird. But now this is very smooth. And what I want to do is now finish off by... I want to change the material of the object when it's in a bad position. And what I really mean by that is I want to change all the materials attached to all of the children of the object. So I have to recursively loop through the children using traverse, find all the materials, and replace them all, I guess. But then I have to have a way to set them back. Unless I make a copy of the object and I modify that one, and then I wouldn't have to change them back. Okay. Yeah, that could work. So I would do and bad group. Okay, so now I just need a way to generate the bad form of the object. Also we do this. Do that. Do that. Boom. Keep this because I need this later for submitting responses. Right now, this should just look normal. Except it doesn't. Oh, because it's the same object. Okay, so we need to, in our util, I now need to actually do this. Create placeholder mesh. Yeah, this is quite literally this, like this is code that almost works. But it doesn't quite work because I did not know as much about how stuff worked back then. But this is some good code here. I want to do placeholder.traverse. Does this actually work? I don't think this will work, but it might. No. What about this? What does this look like? No, okay, there's something wrong here. Because I didn't actually do anything to this shit. But as soon as it goes bad, it disappears. Oh, it's probably the position of the object is wrong. Oh, fuck. The whole matrix is going to be wrong. I can do this, though. Alright. Fuck. Let's open up the DevTools thing. See if that helps. Did I take out? No, I didn't. Oh, I never added it to the scene. I never added it to the scene. I never added it to the scene. Okay, now it exists. And now, wait, now I can go back to having this. And now it should be red, I think? Like, it should just be solid red. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's pretty good already. Wait, why is it not no? Aha. Look at this. This is what I'm missing. Boom. There we go. Much better. Much better. So much better. Yes. Okay, well now I can do whatever the fuck I want with this bad. I can just make it look like whatever. I can apply any shader. Let's mess around though with a different object, right? Because this one is very simple. It's just one sheet. But if I change this to say the popcorn machine. Uh-oh. There is a problem of some kind. What? Give me another 10 minutes, J-Bud. What's going on here? Don't think this is exactly what I had in mind. What? Why does it go faster in certain positions? Oh! Oh, I know exactly what's happening! Holy shit, I'm so glad I figured this out as fast as I did. You know what's happening, chat? If anyone can fucking guess what's happening here, I will gift them a sub. There's no shot anyone guesses this. No shot. Literally no shot. No one will guess this. Okay, random now, you guessed it. Yeah. What's happening, chat, is I have the popcorn machine being labeled as an object that is placeable on, which means that other objects can be placed on top of it. And so what's happening is I'm trying to place it on the floor, and then it's like, oh, I'm hitting a popcorn machine. I can place it myself on top of that. So it's moving itself to the position that it would be if it was placed on top of itself towards the camera. And then that's getting bigger and bigger, but it's not getting bigger, it's just moving towards the camera. See? It's just moving at the camera, and once it hits the camera, it resets. So that's why if it's closer, it goes faster. When it's further, it takes longer to get to the camera. It's placing itself on itself. Which is fucking hilarious. And I'm glad I figured that out, because that is like nightmare to figure out. Because I misdiagnosed it at first. I thought it was getting bigger. I was like, what the fuck is affecting the scale? Nothing is. Which is true. So if I'm hitting the floor or I'm hitting a placeable on object and h.object.uuid is not this dot current object dot obj.uuid. There we go. There we fucking go. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Oh, and the thing I brought up the popcorn machine at all for in the first place was to check what it looked like as a bad mesh, and it looks good. It looks everything is successfully replaced with red translucency, which is exactly what I thought would happen. Cool. Very cool. What's next? The disallowed boxes. Yeah. So technically, there's still a bug, which is that I should not be able to place the popcorn machine here, and I'm not checking a hitbox between it and the objects that are currently placed in the scene. So that's the last thing I have to do. So let's go to room. right here to do delete objects. I'll do this delete objects thing, and I'll also do the disallowed boxes at the same time. Isn't most of the room going to be red? Yeah, I mean, this red is not going to be the final red. Even if this was the final red, I don't think it would be confusing. But we're gonna change this to be something more like this, where it's like, you know, half faded out or something. So it's like a, you know, something cool like that, because we can do that easily with shaders now that I have a shader set up for it. Let's see here. What is the thing? Yeah, okay, let's do delete boxes first. So this is looping through all the objects, seeing if we have them loaded. If we don't, then we create them, and we're changing the position to match the position. Okay, easy enough. But what I really want to do is, first of all, let me fix something up to be more clean. This dot current object dot obj dot matrix dot decompose this work? Yes, it's cleaner. What's your name? Has it changed? Huh. You can see the lights reflect on the guy's head. Okay, back to what I was doing, which is being... I'm putting off what I have to do. Okay. Delete object. So I'm looping blah blah blah. Oh, why is this happening again? What happened? Why is this happening again? Did I not just reload the page? Okay, it's still fucking happening. And where'd the mannequin go? There he is. What? Shit. Let's see. Is it hitting the bad? Is that what's happening? Why is it not happening now? Come on. No. No, 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 no. That's not cool. You can't just be working and then not work and then start working again. That's illegal. Fuck me. Okay. Delete objects. Back to this once again. I want to loop through all of the objects, and if they're not on the list, I want to delete them. Easy as that. Is it? Yes. But I'm gonna use the bathroom first, child. BRB. I'm back. Okay. What was I working on? Oh yeah, the deleting objects. Yeah, should be easy. Should be ID obj of yeah. Can I just make this a map? So I can actually have a number in the key. Thank you very much. Blah, 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 blah. Dot set. Thank you. Yeah, I think this should work. Actually, how do I do this? This dot sync to objects dot entries, just like that. Yeah. Do I know my site is down? Automated.net, is it? I wouldn't be surprised. It's still hosted on a fucking server. Like a server that I SSH into. The entire server's down, it looks like. I don't know. I don't even use it for anything except for that site. What was I doing? Yes, this should remove the object successfully. And that should be actually fairly easy to test. If I go here, it's just lagging the fuck though. Got this right now, and then if I delete, oh gosh, darn. Delete this. Delete one row. Delete the mannequin. Yes, mannequin gone. And this is happening again. Shit. Because it's hitting like a different part of the mesh. Actually, fuck, I don't even know what the error is here. Okay, I can reproduce it. Can I reproduce it if I reload the window? Does it just always happen? Yes, it does. Okay, so if I do this, reload. So what we're hitting here is this cube thing, which I assume if I find enough parents of it, I should find 755 or whatever. No? Oh, it's hitting bad, isn't it? Make or 3JS object ignored by raycast. No, cringe. Don't know. I'll just try this. Still fucking happening, huh? Fuck me. Oh, gosh darn it. How do I actually fucking avoid this shit? The Raycast is currently doing all of the scene as children. And I guess if I don't do all the scene as children, it'll just be fine, huh? Do I have access to the room in here? Yes. That could work, I guess. Okay, step one. Does this work? Is the mannequin or the whatever still placed in the middle of the room? No. It's not, for some reason. Fuck. So adding this to the room didn't work for some reason. Does the room not exist at this point? It should, right? It's like it's probably positioned somewhere weird, like it's out of the visible area. Um, where? How could I? Oh, I could use the DevTools probably to see if it shows up anywhere, or if I could find it. Popcorn. No, those are those things. I guess this scene is probably. Can I change the name of this thing to be like room or something? Here's the room. Name. Oh yeah, it's just named scene. So let's name it room. And does that show up here? God, it lags out the fuck with my machine. Oh, it's still called scene, I guess. So this is the room, though. Is it? Why? Okay, there's 2 rooms. What is the item that I placed in the room? Oh, there is... Wait, there is no item placed in the fucking room. I wonder why it's not showing up. I didn't place anything in the fucking room. Okay. Let me try adding a... Let's see. Synced object. Okay, yes, this just needs a transform, which is a matrix for tuple, actually. In fact, actually, it's a matrix for tuple. Yeah, it lags my computer out a shit ton every time this happens. Transform. Let's see. I need a way to... I need to not do this. It'd be handy if it didn't have this glitch. Wait, I know what I need to do. Okay, there we go. And now if I go to here, no, here. Can I grab the transform of this? Yes. No, but I want the actual matrix. Doesn't give it to me. I don't know what the identity matrix is. It's like 1. Like that. A car bed. Apply. Save. So the car bed should now be in the scene, but it's not. Of course it doesn't fucking break now. Let me see. Is the car bed in the scene actually, or is it just like, what's the deal? What part of the code is glitched, or is my matrix just wrong? No, I don't see the car's bed anywhere in this list. Let's see. No, here it is. Okay, so if I do, instead of this.room.add, if I do scene.add, what happens? Okay, it gets added. Oh. Hold the phone a minute. I think I have an idea of how to fix this. If I do load object true, placeable on equals false there. Boom. Does this work? And then I go, let's see, can I still reproduce the thing? I feel like the page isn't actually reloading when I press the reload button. This is cringe. Yeah, it's not actually reloading. Okay, now it's fucking okay. Okay. The glitch isn't happening, but if I get rid of this, then does it happen? When I open a fresh tab, because apparently reloading doesn't work. It does. Okay, so this did fix it, in fact, which is great. Okay, cool. I knew there was enough come alive. So we don't have the bug anymore. What was I working on? Oh yeah, the hitboxes. This fucking shit is gonna be awkward. Disallowed boxes. I want to make this like a set. Can you hear me? Close your eyes now. No. We don't need it to be that. Because the only place I'm removing from this list is in this remove object function, which should never even happen in the first place, so I don't need to optimize that. So I should just be able to do box 3 here. What is... Ah. Shit. Oh, I can use user data for this. I can do model.userdata.box equals new box3 dot set from object model, and then we do this dot disallowed boxes dot push the box. Is there anything else I need to do with set from object? I don't think so. I should inherit the transform. And now down here, this dot disallowed boxes. Yes, do it for me, please. Yes, thank you very much for doing it for me. Oh, there we go. And now when I try to put the popcorn machine colliding with the bed, it does not work. And if I delete the bed, it didn't get fucking... Well, the fucking box got deleted. Oh, it's because I didn't... If I put this here, then it would have worked. But The thing. So yeah, I know it works. Let me just add in another object. Car bed. 10000001000100001. Save. There we are. Yeah, fuck yeah. Um. Good commit message, Auto. Good commit message. All right. Let's see. What do we got here? Make pull UI. Item name, check. Place image correctly, check. Timer for pull, check. Number of responses, haven't done that yet. Controls help, check. Let me add checkboxes to these. Golden, thank you for the 20 months of Prime. That's so many months. Appreciate that. Number of responses. Is that something I can do with Supabase? Can I make a SQL query manually? To row level changes. I don't know what I don't really care enough about the number of responses. I think I'm just gonna say don't do this one. Sync placer with active poll. We did that earlier. Admin panel. So the last, we're so close, chat. We're actually so close. We did the admin panel, which is going to deal with starting and ending polls and placing objects in the scene. We need the order of objects. That's something I can do in my own time, probably. We'll end up doing that off stream. We need the... let's see. The stream overlay page. That should be pretty easy to do. You should be able to do a stream overlay page in like a minute. Big Nasty with the 25 months. Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. Stream overlay from our... Oh, that's not what I mean by stream overlay. What I mean by stream overlay, in this case, although we might also want to add that, but what I mean by stream overlay is... Set this image to Ludwig. This thing. This window that will go on the top right hand of his screen. That's nice. I assume you're talking about my beautiful hands. Bum, 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 bum. Um, ooh, let me look at RLS thing real quick. Objects is okay. Yeah, everyone can read objects, even if you're not authenticated, so that shouldn't be an issue. Actually, to check this, I should be able to open a new private window and go here, and I should be able to see the objects. Yes, I can see the car's bed. Okay. Good. Good, 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 goody, good, good. Why do I have so many fucking windows open? Scared of this one. Let's see here. What do I need here? How do I want to implement this? That's the question. I think I just want to copy this route. Do this stream.registream plus page.svelte. And I can do a lot of stuff here that is not... I don't have to do all this stuff, basically. But I am just going to copy this over, I think. Wheels up. Adios. Adios of you. So we're just gonna have these be empty sets. Get rid of the stats. Get rid of all this. Yeah, I can do this. That's fine. So I'm gonna import room. Import this. I don't want a placer, and I don't want a pole. I just want the room and the camera. And instead of a normal camera, I want a stream camera. And does this have to extend camera? I think so. And now I should be able to do new stream camera like that. Yeah, cool. And now if I go to this new page that we've created, exactly as I hoped. Nothing. No controls. Okay, cool. That was easy. How do I rotate this around the center? This dot camera dot rotate. I'll just use trigonometry. Wahahaha. Trigonometry to the rescue. That was easy. Too fast though. Yeah, this is good. This is what I envisioned, I think. Let's put this on a transparent background, and now if I hypothetically go here, add a new browser source. Boom. 1920 by 1080. There we go. That goes on the stream. And the window is actually fucking transparent. That's pretty cool. You can see the rest of the stream through the window. Yeah, cool. A little slower? Yeah, I think so too. We'll say speed is 0.025. No. Not quite, huh? What the fuck is going on? What is 1 over 2000? Oh, it's really small. 0.00025 is what I want. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright. If I set this width and height to like 1080 by 1080, refresh it. Oh, it kind of clips out now. I feel like the Y position should be like 2. Ooh, wait, I kind of like this a lot. Hold on. I like this a lot, all of a sudden. Let the car's about to go. Hello? This feels more like it's in the room. It's a more intimate view. Pull it back and move the camera up. What do you mean pull it back? Further away? I mean, I guess it's just higher FOV. Move the camera up. That's what this would look like. I could do like this. If we only had another. Yeah, this is pretty good. I don't know if I want it to be on a transparent background. I asked a lot about that. I want to do like a fucking tech rehearsal with him for this. Because I don't know how much of this he's seen, if any. I don't know if he's seen any of what I've worked on yet, so it's definitely gonna be like, do I want to be on a Discord call with fucking Nick Yingling and be, you know, something like that? Is that what I want to have happen? How will this be implemented in a stream like this? The thing I'm making right now goes up here. Chat goes here. He's standing in the room, placing the items. Because like when he finishes placing the item, I don't want him to be like, okay, auto, turn on the next item. I want to like be able to do that without a stream delay, right? I don't want to make a queue of items. That's recipe for a disaster. I want to be able to control as much as I can. Well, I don't want Ludwig to be in control of the admin panel. I feel like that's also a recipe for disaster, even more of one. I don't want Ludwig to be in control of it. Let me write down my questions. Shut up, Copilot. Background of browser source. Transparent. Might not stand out enough. What color? Stream layout. top right overlay, chat underneath, Ludwig, Ludwig in room in background, who is holding the camera. Is Ludwig placing every object? Thank you, Copilot. That's not exactly what I want to... Wow. This is so insightful. Website domain. Amazon.ludwig.gg. No, I don't like that. Something else. Name of stream. You came up with r/place. Independently. Because I don't... Like, I didn't even know that he was going to call it r/place, so the website was fucking all branded as Mogul Mosaic. And... Yeah, it was kind of awkward, I feel. No one's commented on it, but it feels weird. I feel like it should be consistent. When is the stream exactly? How long to vote on each item? Who triggers the votes? I could, but would like to have someone on Discord calling it out rather than stream delay. Could give a roommate access to the admin panel. Thank you, Copilot. Exactly what I was going to type. Genius. Any opinion on order of items? Anything else? Anything else? This is good that I'm writing this down because there's a fuck ton of questions. Ooh. What to do about paint? What to do about paint? What else? What else? Oh, how long to vote on each item? 43 total items. How long? Minutes or to place. How long should stream be? What to do about... Oh, you gonna guess it, Copilot? You gonna guess what I'm about to type here? That was not exactly what I was gonna type, no. That's psychotic. I'm sorry. The armchair. Thank you. That's better. um. If I could love you back, I would. Any other questions? I'll probably come up with more later. For now, I think that this stream page is good. I do want to add the domain of the website to it. I suppose that should be easy enough. I can just do this. Tiny text. Is this an actual person? Copilot just invented a Twitch streamer named It's Josh the Developer. This is not a real account. Do I want to put this at the top? Probably. Oh. That's, I guess, expected. I want to see what it would type. It's an AI, just Jess. Like, it's a neural network that doesn't specifically do that. But it probably noticed a pattern somehow. Oh, I need to do pull UI tabular nums. How's this look, chat? I can't really get a... I guess I can do... Yeah, I think that looks pretty good, right? Like this visit amazon.ludwig.gg to vote. Looks fine. Should it like pulsate or something to attract attention to it? Any thoughts on that? Or like do the thing where the text is like woo 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 like a wave? Okay. Um Could even just be this. And then I guess we could make this text like shiny. Uh I don't like how it's well. No, that's worse. I mean, I'm just looking at built-in. No. Bounce? No, don't think so. Will I be running another game jam? I would like to, I think. But it is a fuck ton of work for me. It's a lot of work. And I'm pretty busy right now. So probably not this month. Maybe at Christmas or something. It is through JS Aiden. I think we're no, I want to have some kind of what's the can I get the like oh, you know what the fuck I'm thinking of? I'm thinking of material CSS. Yes, this thing. This has like an animation somewhere. Pulse. Yes, this thing is what I'm thinking of. Before I knew that React existed, this is what I used, chat. Okay. If I just do pulse on this guy, what happens? Oh, I don't have the animation loaded. Don't try. Just one time. Wait again. I will be much better than all It's not working. Big text. What's going on here? Oh, it exists. Look, it's pulsing. It just is not. Oh, it doesn't have a background color. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I can work with this. Losing your gift and it's plain to see. Something must have changed in me. Oh, sure. Now, is this... Okay, it is behind it. Let me get rid of this extra shit, because I think this should be automatically... Actually, it doesn't even matter, because it's a fucking... What is this shit? Yeah, it should be auto prefixed. Let's go with 500 maybe. And a lot less frequent, I would think. So true, Woody. Yeah, I learned React with Create React app. I was like, okay, this is pretty cool. And then I fucking found Next.js and I was like, okay, Create React app is shit. This is pretty cool. Next has more stuff than SSR. I would say SSR is one of those big selling points, but not the big selling point. If I make this 10 seconds long, right? And then I make this go from 0 to 10 seconds to 95, 90, and then 95. What does this look like? Can't find the right word. So this pulses every 10 seconds now. How's this look, chat? Looking at the one in the top right of the stream up here. Think it should pulse more frequently maybe, or just... Probably not, actually. Name DC, thank you for 25 months. That's so poggers. Oh my gosh. Founder over here with 47 messages total in my entire chat. 47 messages. All time. Wait, hold on, Raphael. Is that true? I can just add 10 seconds onto the end of it and it'll... I thought that just added a delay before the first one. Yeah. That didn't work. This is what you meant, right? Yeah, that just adds a delay before the first one. I was right. Posting is almost a little too distracting. Think. Like, Ludwig is going to be fucking in the middle of your screen. Boys, I'm placing an item on your screen right now. Ooh, look at me. Like, I don't think it's going to be that distracting. Especially since it's only every 10 seconds. It's a great Ludwig model. Thank you, thank you. I made it myself. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good for the stream thing. We have a remaining bug. Or a remaining thing that we need to do. Related to the state of the bed. The state of the bed and the mannequin. Because the bed and the mannequin are the things that have extra states. Like, for example, and I can do that from here now. Right now, the popcorn is the thing being placed. But if I change that to the mattress, then I can... Oh, that's a problem. Hold on. Yeah, I see why that would happen. Okay, as I was saying, the mattress is an item that can be placed inside the bed. If you hover over the bed, it snaps inside, and that's changing the state of the bed. Why is my website not working? I don't know. My server went down. I need to update my website. I made that website in like 20. Fuck. When did I make that website? Hold on. GitHub.com. Portfolio? Yes. 4 years ago? I made it in four years ago. 2019. 2018. How old was I then? 15 years old. I didn't know React existed back then. Yeah, I definitely need to make a better new website. And I'm thinking this is actually a good project for that because I was thinking of doing something cool in like 3D. I know I already have something 3D on the website, but that was just like a fucking library I stole from somewhere. Like that was no effort on my part. Was it up in Heroku? No, it was living on a fucking VPS that I have, which is now down. Where do I have this? SSD nodes. SSD nodes. It crashed. It's not my fault. Good thing I didn't pull this up on my main screen because it just pulled up my fucking full address, email, full first last name, PayPal phone number on the middle of my screen as soon as I got into the website. Reboot. I will reboot the machine. I decided to use Supabase because I don't like Firebase, and I wanted to learn to use Supabase. And what do you mean something like Firebase? Supabase is like Firebase. If that question was like, why did you choose to use Supabase instead of something like SQL, PlanetScale, Prisma, TRPC, that would have been a good question. And the answer is because I want to leverage the real-time features without having to mess around with creating WebSockets myself. Is the car's bed really that big, IRL? Yeah. I mean, look at your room, chat. You're in your bedroom right now in the basement. Like, look how big the bed is compared to the, like, doors. Anyway, as I was saying, the mattress is something that can be placed inside the bed, right? Inside the bed, which changes the state of the bed. It doesn't actually place the mattress anywhere. It just changes the state of the bed. So we're going to need something in our schema to indicate the state of the bed, I guess. Actually, that shouldn't be that bad. Yeah, I can do this. Synced object, right? It's synced object. It has an ID and it has a transform, but it should also have visible sub objects. Optionally a string. Alright. Hello? The fuck? Hello? 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 That was weird. Anyway. Oh, chat, you know, something I thought about? Place up modding. Or plate up modding. Because it's in mono. Easier than Among Us to mod. I mean, harder than Among Us because no one's already done the work for me, you know? Of like setting up the modding tools, but I could just use BepInEx. I think I looked around for a bit. I don't think there are any existing played up mods. So maybe I'll talk to like Hafu or someone who's into that stuff and see if she has any good ideas. Or chat, if you guys have any ideas for played up mods, send them over. I can't promise nothing. Daniel has ideas, does he? He's not live. I would call him or something. I could still call him, I guess. Let me shoot Daniel a phone call. If he's online. He's away. I don't know. Would that be awkward? No. No, it wouldn't. I'm calling him. he didn't call. He didn't answer. Yeah, see if he calls back. Yeah, the problem is I looked into the PlateUp source code a bit. I did look into it. And it seems like it's better designed than Among Us in a lot of ways, but also designed in a way that would make modding it very difficult. Like, it feels to me like most of the like stuff is configured in the Unity editor rather than like in the scripts. And I'd be starting from scratch. Like I wouldn't have any previous work to work off of. It's definitely possible. But like shit like making new dishes, I don't even know where, like I would have to find where the dish registry is. Are a lot of things hard-coded? No, it's the opposite, which is harder. If things are hard-coded like Among Us, it's easier because you can overwrite the code super easily. The hard thing to overwrite is the like configuration. Anyway. Yeah, visible sub-objects is what I was just working on like 5 minutes ago before I went off on that tangent. Have I checked all the zipped files? Let me fucking look. I don't know. I didn't look that closely. What do you mean zipped files? I mean, all I looked into was the source code. I didn't look into the I didn't look into like the Unity resources because I don't know what tool to use for those. Okay, I gotta focus on this though. I gotta focus on this. Visible sub-objects. When I am placing an object in the room, let's see. Can I view usages of this guy? References. The only place it's referenced is there and there. Okay, cool. What is this? Why is it referenced here? Shouldn't be. So the only place it's referenced is here, so I can do this safely just here. So inside load object, hold on. This should be possible to do. The fuck is an object? Synced object? No. Load object. What does this return? Placeable object. Sub objects. Boom. Boom. Okay. So if this thing has sub-objects, then I want to traverse it. I want to do, if object dot no. Yeah, right? No, not object dot object. If object dot data dot visible subobjects make it visible. Okay, so reload the page. God, what is it with this website and not making things not want to actually reload the tab? What would be the best option to hide JS source code? The best option would be to do everything on the server where you can. Like, for example, if there's a panel, like a panel that you have to click on a specific part and it changes, make a thing where instead of clicking on it and the local JavaScript doing something, you send an event that's like, I clicked on it at this X and Y coordinate, and then the server comes back and is like, ooh, change the state to a different sprite, or like trigger some event locally, you know? The answer is to not have any local JavaScript source code. Okay, so if I technically went here and I turned on the Schlanket. That's something that no one has ever said before. Visible sub objects. I made the Schlanket visible. I would have to reload the page for this to take effect. But we do have the Schlanket. Okay, nice. So that is good. Yeah, you can always try obfuscating, but you know the what was the thing? There was like an, was it NVIDIA? There was like an NVIDIA escape room or something where they gave a bunch of like streamers like clues. Is that what I'm thinking of? I was curious about it. I was thinking about making a YouTube video on this. I was curious about it. And so I was like, oh, I'll just do this and see if they have anything in the JavaScript source. And they had a lot. Like, a lot of stuff was local, and a lot of the puzzles I could just solve by digging into it and, you know, adding some breakpoints and figuring out what was going on. It's a hard thing to get right. Okay, so this is... interesting. Whatever server you're using, Choff, what's your backend language? What's your front end language? It depends on a lot of things. We'll stay together. Let's add this to the utils, I think. Export function update sub object visibility. We'd pass a group, sub objects, and then visible sub objects. I can't stop time. If obj, no. If sub objects dot includes, yeah, this is it. So now I should be able to use it here. Update subobject visibility, model, data.subobjects, and then empty. Just to have known you, and we wish each other. Hello? You okay? This is definitely what the function is called. Is it? TypeScript! Okay. Lame. Make me have to type it in manually. Took me 5 seconds to do that. If you just done it automatically for me, it would have only taken 1 second. Just saying. Okay, let's see. Is this working correctly? It seems to still be working correctly. Let's test it. By now, I should be able to do... I gotta do this. Model.userdata.subobjects equals data.subobjects. Okay, so now hypothetically, I go to the dashboard, I go to the cars bed, edit row, edit JSON, go here and like activate the mattress, and save, and there's the mattress. Nice. Okay, and then I go back in here and I go activate the Kim pillow, apply, save. There's the pillow. Okay, and now I could deactivate the Schlanket. There we go. Synced over the internet. Object states. Poggers. Ooh, new Wine About It episode. Poggers. Something to watch after this. Okay, Chad, does anyone know? Ludwig made a fucking calendar, didn't he? He made a calendar on stream. I should have access to that, I feel. Hold on. Calendar. I think I have access to that. My Ludwig email. It's not there. Let me search the Slack. Aha! Got it. Did I add this to the right email? No, not that one. There we go. Oh, it already exists. What? The calendar already exists in your calendar list, but I don't fucking see it on my phone. Refresh. Refresh. Settings. Show more. Ah! Sync. That work? Aha! It did. Okay. Cool. Got access to Ludwig's calendar. And it fucking doesn't have the information on it. Yeah, it doesn't have the fucking information on it. Thank you very much, Ludwig. Anyone remembered when the stream is? Not this one. Fuck. When was this? When did he make the calendar, chat? He made a calendar, right? Oh, it hasn't been uploaded yet. I see. Check decorate. Okay, so it's on the 10th at 2:30. It's next fucking Saturday. I have hours. He made one at the end of the music stream. But he made this one. When is he doing Hollow Knight? Is he pushing it back again? Like, I have to finish the fucking Ludwig.gg website for the merch before I have to do the, before I have to have this finished. Yeah, so I have a lot of time. I don't have to finish it right now. Or feel stressed at all about finishing it. What else is on my to-do? Oh, I have that shit. Alright, I think I might be done for today then. We got so much done, chat. This looks sick. Am I lying? Does this look sick? This current object thing, the fact, and also just the stuff we've figured out. We got a lot done. Like, literally, chat, if I needed to right now, I could run the stream. I just wouldn't have a fancy way of, like, changing the pull. I would have to do it all by hand. But once I have controls for that, it'll be done. Kyle Dampier, thank you for the prime. Huff Benedict with another prime. Appreciate that. I believe I'm going to end stream. Oh, shit camp started. Wait. Oh, shit camp hasn't started yet. It's like about to start. It's starting. What if I rated someone who's playing a game I like? No, it's a bad idea. Alright, I'll read like Tina Kitten then. Who just donated? I'll never know. Oh, thanks for the 100 bits, CP86. And thanks you guys for watching. Tomorrow I will probably not end up streaming because I have to catch up on other work now that I've spent my whole entire weekend working on this. But we'll see. I'll definitely stream again before Saturday. Probably one more stream and we should be able to knock this out. Alright, good night everyone.